This 2025 Coachmen Catalina Legacy Edition 263 BHSCK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Milford North, Delaware, 19963 and is offered for sale by Delmarva RV Center, Milford North. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 32 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 10, stovetop burner, air conditioning, skylight, oven, refrigerator, leveling jacks, auxiliary battery, carbon monoxide detector, microwave, spare tire kit, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Coachmen Catalina Legacy Edition 263 BHSCK is 6,532 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.